full disclosure, this can happen to your card. So make sure you're using the old one. This is the old one I'm not using anymore. You can also use some hard plastic. You can also use gas station cards. You can use a dull knife, but dull knife, there's a possibility you cut yourself. And of course you can use the fancy $10 tool from eBay, which I will link in the description box. Hey guys, welcome back. I'm me, DC Gunner. Today I'm gonna show you how to remove a watch band with a credit card. And with a debit card, credit card, you can use those gas station cards, Walmart cards. What you're gonna do, usually you would use the fancy watch removal tool that costs around $10. And you can also use a kitchen knife, but do not make it sharp kitchen knife. And you want to do this: place your card in here between the lugs of the watch, and there's a spring bar here. So again, you can use a dull kitchen knife you are not using anymore, but make sure it's dull, so you will cut yourself. You can use this tool, and in a pinch you can use a plastic cards. Okay, you remove the card, but how are you gonna put it back? You wanna put the watch band back, maybe different one, and the longer part you always put on 6, because that's the correct way to do it. So you use this. I'm using this through the viewfinder. Okay, and you want to have it like this, lined up. And now again the card comes into play. Some people will use fingernails, but I would not recommend that, because you have it in here and you line it up. And when you are done, do this so you know it's secure. The other one, again, same thing, something like this, something like this. Are we in focus? Okay. Make sure it's secure, and that's it. Thank you for watching.